Now look at the transformation. On one side, you see the old legacy UI. On the other, the new modern interface built by our team. We modernized the system using Oracle Apex, delivering a clean, intuitive, and secure user experience. The application is deployed on Microsoft Azure Cloud, ensuring scalability, reliability. We also used AI during development to accelerate delivery while maintaining strict governance and security. Today, the system is used internally by the Central Bank of Bahrain and online by other banks to request new currency issuance. A 20-year-old legacy system is now a modern, secure digital platform. That's clarity driven modernization in a mission critical government environment. Let me share another real modernization case. This client is ZZipper, a manufacturing business operating across more than 20 branch locations. At the center of their operations was an old on premises ERP system. The system had grown complex over time. Upgrades were difficult, maintenance was costly, and scalability was limited. They needed a complete ERP migration from on premises infrastructure to Oracle Cloud. At the same time, users were struggling with the system. The interface was outdated, hard to navigate, and slowed daily operations. They needed a simple, easy to use UI to improve users' experience. Another major challenge was reporting. They relied on complex business reports that were tightly coupled to the old ERP system. Those reports needed to be upgraded, but without using any migration utilities and without disrupting the business, obviously. So the requirement was very, very clear: modernize the ERP, move fully to the cloud, improve usability, and preserve critical reporting. So here's what the transformation delivered. The legacy ERP was converted into a fully modern ERP system running entirely on Oracle Cloud. Today, more than 20 branch locations are directly connected to the ERP in real time. The system is now centralized, scalable, and significantly easier to manage. We redesigned the application with a clean, user friendly interface, making daily operations faster and far more intuitive for users. All complex reports were built using Oracle Apex without relying on any utilities and without compromising on accuracy or performance. The result? A modern cloud based ERP, improved user experience, real time visibility across all branches, and a fully future ready platform built to scale with the business. That's what structured, clarity driven modernization looks like in distributed manufacturing environment.